Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's topic is nature. Nature is a wonderful and beautiful God's creation. We are living in the world of nature, which is our teacher. There are little pretty flowers in the world of nature, living in the world of nature. Nature is our teacher, which teaches us forever. It is a college from which we get knowledge. Nature fulfills all our amenities and help us to overcome our difficulties. Nature is one of God's creation to fulfill our ambitions. Nature, oh nature, our beautiful nature, what a God's creation you are, what a God's creation you are. Lovable by all, useful for all, O nature, what a two-in-one character you pursue with all. Hope you liked this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching and keep smiling.